Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Luckiest Man on Guitar Easy Guide. Start with 4 open chords and get them fingered cleanly: G, D, M, and C. Place your fingers with relaxed pressure and check each string rings clear. Use a metronome set to a comfortable tempo and change chords on the beat. Repeat the progression until transitions feel smooth and confident. Now refine the strumming pattern. Use a gentle down-up motion with subtle accents on beats 2 and 4 to capture the song's warmth. Start very slowly and mark accents with a slightly stronger stroke. Keep your wrist relaxed to avoid tension and vary dynamics for phrasing. Practice 4-bar loops until the pattern feels automatic and you can sing along while maintaining steady rhythm and tone. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this lesson, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It keeps your practice space tidy so you can focus on playing. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for your support. Now let's get back to the video. Add tasteful embellishments like light hammer-ons or small melodic fills between chord changes to add interest without crowding the vocal line. Try palm muting on select measures for a softer texture, and return to open ringing chords for choruses. Practice embellishments slowly, then weave them into the main progression so they sound natural. The goal is to enhance the song's emotion while keeping the original simplicity intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.